In the bustling street of Dunman Road, a construction site powered by an innovative energy solution, the Infinity Cube, is underway. This construction site, constructed by China Construction Realty, operates 7 tower cranes and 14 passenger hoists, requiring substantial power to keep things moving. In a traditional setup, it is estimated that 21 diesel generators would be required to power this site and would consume up to 1,140 liters of diesel daily. This translates to nearly $65,000 in diesel costs each month, and over 100,000 kilograms of carbon emitted into the environment. Introducing the Infinity Cube, the cutting-edge battery energy storage system, or BESS in short. BESS offers both hybrid and island power solutions, and significantly reduces the reliance on traditional generators. In hybrid mode, a single L-size Infinity Cube is paired with a 400 kVA synchronizing generator. This powers 2 tower cranes and 4 passenger hoists efficiently. 2 sets of the setup have been deployed to the site, thus eliminating 10 diesel generators and reducing both diesel consumption and carbon emissions. In island mode, 2 M-size Infinity Cubes connect directly to the power grid, eliminating the need for diesel generators altogether. Connecting the Infinity Cube to the grid amplifies the grid's power. Thus, this creates an efficient and cost-saving power supply system.
The Infinity Cube has been a game changer for us. By reducing our reliance on the fuel generators, we have significantly reduced our fuel costs and carbon emissions. Additionally, the site is much quieter now, which has led to a fewer noise complaints from our nearby residents. At the same time, it has led to a significant reduction in exhaust fume smell. The Infinity Cube has made our operation more efficient and environmentally friendly. We are proud to be operating our entire site with the Infinity Cube.
By fully integrating the Infinity Cube, this construction site has become much cleaner and more efficient. As the construction site is also located in a residential area, surrounded by homes and schools, the shift to Infinity Cube benefits not only the project, but also the surrounding community. Embrace the future of power with the Infinity Cube. For more information about the Infinity Cube and how it can transform your construction projects, visit our website or contact us today.